Is your PC connected to Wi-Fi but showing no internet while your phone works perfectly on the same network? Don't worry. This is a common problem and you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you simple step-by-step solutions that actually work. Follow all steps carefully and your internet will be back. Step 1. Restart your PC. First, restart your computer. This clears temporary bugs and often fixes small network issues instantly. Step 2. Restart your router. Now, turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. Wait until all lights become stable before checking again. Step 3. Check other devices. Make sure internet is working on your phone or other devices. If not, the issue may be with your internet provider. Step 4. Forget Wi-Fi network. Go to Wi-Fi settings on your PC, click your network, select Forget, then reconnect by entering the password again. Step 5. Turn off airplane mode. Check that airplane mode is off. Sometimes it gets enabled accidentally and blocks internet access. Step 6. Run network troubleshooter. Go to Settings Arrow Network and Internet Arrow Troubleshoot. Let Windows automatically detect and fix problems. Step 7. Disable and enable Wi-Fi adapter. Open Control Panel Arrow, Network Connections. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, disable it, wait 5 seconds, then enable it again. Step 8. Update Network Driver. Open Device Manager Network. Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi driver. Click Update Driver. Outdated drivers can cause internet issues. Step 9. Reset IP address. CMD. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type ipconfig/release ipconfig/renew. This refreshes your network connection. Step 10. Flush DNS cache. Now type ipconfig/flush DNS. This clears old network data and improves connection. Step 11. Check proxy settings. Go to Settings Network Proxy and turn off proxy if it's enabled. Step 12. Disable VPN if using. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs can sometimes block internet on PC. Step 13. Reset network settings. Go to Settings Network Reset now. Your PC will restart and fix deep network issues. Step 14. Try Ethernet cable, optional. Connect your PC directly to the router using a LAN cable to check if Wi-Fi is the issue. Step 15. Contact ISP, last option. If nothing works, contact your internet provider. There might be a line or service issue. That's it. One of these methods will definitely fix your problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech solutions.